In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make this kebab. This kebab is good and amazing. If you're the person who like food from another different countries and you love to learn and you love to try them, this food is perfect for you. And I'm gonna take you step by step, and I will guide you along the way. You don't follow what I say during to my accent. You can just watch the video and see what I'm doing there, and it will help you too. Because sometimes talking can be difficult, but if you like pay attention to what is going on, it can will help with the video. And by doing this, I already put my thing together. Like I say, I put the carrot and the tomatoes plus potatoes, and the potatoes are the majority because we are making a dish called kebab, and you can even them how do you want. But for me, because it's just a simple recipe and just easy to make, because it's a guide here, I'm just gonna make it the way I think it's possible for a new beginning or someone who is learning how to make it for the first time. But if you are pro doing that, this one, just sit along and buckle up and let's begin. And to let you know, guys, I'm going to be using 3 languages in this video. So if you come to the part that you can understand, you can just keep watching the video and follow the process I'm doing in the video. You don't have to worry, because whatever I say in the English like now, that's what I'm going to repeat in that language too, so other people can understand. And now, let's begin. Kabuk lo video kanich wo bu basala buk wo bu basala chuk tam kwa chuk tam me wo ki tomato ma chuk in ka tem ku kwa buk tam ma je dan ku basal abu gate kuna chu gate ka sama tomato abu waltin ku daman tu ka man chap dan du biaga ku bi tuoj na chu dan du tuoj ki dam potatoes do hanitin kuna ina ran South Sudan bezat ange kyare do ka kema bas ka Northern Sudan ange so halala daga haisna عشان نعمل هاي نقدر نعمل الخباب. خباب ده حلو، والناس كله بعرفين ده، والناس كله بخوله كمان قيمة، بنعرف هاي ده قيمة كمان ناس تانيين. لكن هنا ده لا نعمل ده عشان هاي ده بيجي الزمن ما خلطه ده، لكن السنة ده نعمل يا وقت نعمل هسه خطر هاي ده فتحت حق ده في كيوب تو كيوب. أنا بصل حق ده قاعد يحرك في نار، وكمان ذاته النار ده طماطم جاهز أو لحم حقي كمان قاعد هنا كمان تو، وهو ده كمان كاروت. حنينا عشان نعمل كباب زي جو تعرفينه. كباب ده بشيل حاجات كتار شديد زي جرين فيز أو حاجات تانيين تاني. لو داير ingredient ممكن تعمل متابعة للفيديو ده عشان تعرف بين حاجة نقدر نعمله، عشان في حاجات ما ممكن بعدين نقوله، وفي حاجات ممكن تشوف وأنا ما قلتها، لكن ما مشكلة تشوف to follow along with this video and it's gonna be okay. Thank you. For the first time you're joining this video, you're joining this channel, you're highly welcome. And in this channel, we share recipe for beginning, for people who like learning how to make food for in different countries. But we share what we do and we share how we make it. So you're new, join us and comment there and let us know what was your favorite part in the video, and how are you gonna try, or will you like this? And you feel so generous, you can subscribe and share and leave us a thumb up. Like, thank you for that. And now I'm gonna be doing this meat, like I'm gonna try to even the meat so it doesn't have to be big and small. In this step here, you could ask someone to do it for you. You don't have time, but you do have time, you can do this yourself. Like I say, guys, I did take a break off for 1 week. I haven't forced, but now I'm back and I'm gonna be doing it for a while. And this is طماطم أو طماطم بقلة ماج. الحاجة أصلا اللي قاعد في الصحن ده هاي ده بطل كانوا داري حركة أنا خطيره مع لكن took there. Don't worry. So far so good. The potatoes is frying on the other side. The carrot are cut to cube, and there's my garlic too. I'm gonna pour it, and you do this. But you want it to be easy. What you can do when you having, like when you come home from work, maybe you're having chilling in the living room, you can just take your potatoes and cut them to cube, and cut your carrot too, and then you can soak them with water and leave them outside for a night. But you want them to be more fresh, you can add a bit of salt and leave it for a night, cover and let them stay. So in the morning you can just fry them. It's much easier to do that, so it doesn't consume time. Because for me, it took me a bit time, I won't lie, because this dish It's more delicate in South Sudan. It's like a delicacy. Yeah, people don't make it more often, but when they do, they make it when they have like special guests, or maybe when you feel like a holiday, or maybe like a time you want to bond with your family members. Maybe you're having a new baby, or maybe you are happy. You just make it, and it's so amazing. Like I'm making this one, my husband Jaban by, and my kid too, and me. We just want to have something good, so we just want to say, oh, let's go back home and make something from home. And you guys know, everything is better when it comes from home. Yes, I know. I'm at home here too. That's why I make it here. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining this, and thank you for follow up with this channel, and thank you for being a part of this one. And so far so good, and this dish is so good. Especially like some people can call it gima, and some can call it kebab, and that is del actually. بنعرف شمار في بالعربي أو شمار that in the language I was raised with, like we all know. And this process, yeah, you have to make sure the meat is flavorful. It's flavorful because you want it more delicious, because that's what has happened. And that is green fish. I'm making, add a bit of water, don't add too much water, because we are not cooking it with water. The water you wash the meat with, that are gonna use. That cup over there, or mug over there wasn't full, it was half. So that's what I cook it with. But first, when you cook it, lower the heat, and then you can add it as you go. Like for me, I was using like a middle one, like 3, and then I go up to 4 when it's like 30 minutes remain, so the meat can absorb the soup properly and can give the flavor to the food, and should be that amazing. And keep checking your temperature, and keep checking the food too. And don't forget, in frying these potatoes, make sure that the oil doesn't fill over the place. It's nearly happened to me there, but I make sure to dodge it, because I know when the oil is hot and you pour something cold on it, it's gonna like gonna come up, and that's what we do. Like when you're putting the potatoes inside, you gotta lower the heat, or maybe just kill it entirely, and then put it, and then when it's done, you can just turn it back on again. You can put it off and then turn it back on again, and that should be okay. That other carrot I'm frying, because like I say, this food is more colorful, and it's so good. Especially it's good with young kids, because they love colorful and they love colorful things. Especially have a toddler. This will be perfect for them, because they will have the time picking things up different colors. And so far so good. That is tomato paste, yeah, tomato paste. And you can just use it and put it there. Like you don't have to put too much. Like you took one teaspoon, you took a table a table a tablespoon. You can just have one, but you took a dessert spoon to take 2, but you take the tablespoon. mm, that good too. And this tablespoon, you have to take like 3 of them, like I did. And what I was using actually was a dessert spoon, and it was good. So far the carrot are ready now, and yeah, we're gonna put them in the other side and wait for it to absorb the, like you have to put paper towel underneath the what you use to absorb the oil, so you don't leave it many oil. When you're done, remove the oil and keep it in a safe place, so no one get burned. But I did not show the video when it was mixing it, because my phone died. But I show you this is when I was combining it together. But when I put all the ingredients inside, I didn't show because my phone died. But this is how it look. You lay it one by one. You put tomatoes, no, I mean potatoes. That's what you put, and you add carrot, and you're gonna add green peas together, and then you mix very well. That is the step, and you're gonna give it 3 minutes to cook together. So the the ingredient you put inside the tomatoes and carrot and green peas can absorb some of the soup uh, the dish got. And you want to just go all in out, you can pour something like